Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the middle spray arm hub in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new middle spray arm hub. The middle spray arm hub holds the middle spray arm and also connects it to the water supply conduit. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it's broken, causing the middle spray arm not to stay in place. Open the door. Pull out the upper dish rack's rails. To remove the dish rack, first we need to take out both end caps. Using the flat blade screwdriver, bend the rear tab out into the cutout. Then turn the top of the end cap inwards to free it. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Pull the upper rack out, turn it over, and place it on the workable surface. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take the center screw and the washer out, and then remove the spray arm. Now we need to remove this 1/4-inch screw with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push out the tab and lift out the old hub. Slide the hub off the water supply conduit. This is the old middle spray arm hub next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new middle spray arm over the water conduit. Insert the end in the slot of the mounting bracket and push down the opposite end so it locks onto the tab. Secure to the screw using the 1/4-inch nut driver. Install the spray arm. Place the washer on and secure to the screw using the 1/4-inch nut driver. Install the upper dish rack on the tracks and slide it in. Put the bottom of the end cap in the rail. Push the rear end into the cutout and turn the end cap inside the rail. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Slide the dish rack in and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.